friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Giga's new design for mainstream BRIX with 13th generation Intel Core U series mobile processor. So friend, Giga has announced a newly designed ultra-compact mainstream mini-PCs for BRIX lineup, and they adopt the 13th generation Intel Core U series mobile processor with Intel 7nm manufacturing process that produce performance core and efficient core architecture. You can benefit not only in a performance boot but also compute with greater efficiency. And friend, you can scale BRICS from BRI3H with a total of 6 cores to BRI7H, and that has a total of 10 cores and turbo frequency up to 5 GHz. And additionally, the product supports Intel Wi-Fi 6, next generation Intel Iris Xe graphics, and enhanced image processing to enjoy a balance of performance and value wrapped into a BRICS that's right for you. And compared to prior BRICS with 10th generation Intel Core processor, the new 13th generation processor can easily boost performance as much as 88% in multi-thread workloads and up to 140% in single-threaded ones. And friend, these new models can support Type-C connectors with a speed of 5 Gigabit per second, as well as dual M.2 SSDs and one 2.5-inch HDD or SSD to deliver a fast and smooth user experience. And if you need more storage capacity, then you can choose the HS version, which comes with an additional 2 M.2 slots. And the new Intel Iris Xe graphics engine support HDMI 2.0B and mini DP 1.4a, and they can use at the same time on multiple monitors with up to 3840 into 2160 at the rate 60 Hz resolution, providing excellent computing performance on 4K displays for either video playback and video editing, general home use and commercial applications. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.